Hello, in this video I want to show you how to quickly transfer files from any type of device to your Samsung Galaxy A73 series. And to do this, we'll need to open the Google Play Store on both of the devices. If you have any other store, you can try finding this app there as well. So it's called Send Anywhere. Let's install it on both of them. When it's ready, open the app. And you will need to allow all of the access. Also, make sure that you're using Wi-Fi if you have access to it, because it eats a lot of data to transfer these files. Now, since we'll be receiving all of the files on this phone, we need to change to Receive tab. And from here, and on this phone, we need to select each file that we want to send. So there's basically any type of file that you can send, and there's photos, videos, audio, apps, contacts, and files. So let's select a few photos. Let's actually give animation, maybe one video, one audio clip, one. Actually, don't go for the apps. You can use the contacts on this phone. I don't have any contact set up, so they're not visible. Sorry, but if you have any, they should be visible right here. And files, but we need to allow all file access first. And here you can see everything that is on your phone. Now, when you're ready, click on Send. You'll see three types of sending methods. There's code, QR code, and share link. I'll be using code, which we need to enter right here, 981022, receive. Now the file transfer should begin. You can see the progress right here. When it's ready, you can click on the pack. It should be also transferred to all apps that represent the photos, so photos in the gallery, MP3 files in your music player. Now let's click on a photo, and as you can see, it's the same quality, nothing changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.